Hey, welcome guys. This video I'm doing an unboxing of the BenQ InstaShow wireless screen sharing solution. Now this is mainly meant for enterprises and businesses, for meeting rooms, but it could technically be used at the consumer level. Maybe you like to do a lot of presentations, or you're part of some sort of like club or seminars that you host. So you could actually use this if you wanted to for a projector or TV and whatnot. So this is the USB-C version, so that basically means that if your computer or laptop has a USB-C connection, that's what you would use. There's another version that's USB-A and HDMI, does the exact same thing but just different fittings. So there's the USB-C connection. This is the screen sharing kit, so there's two of them included in the box, which is great. They're really small. They actually look a little bit bigger on the box, but it's nice to know that they're smaller in person. And this is the hub that I guess does all the brain work. It looks like it has some antenna connections, so probably most likely underneath in the rest of the box contents. Some ports at the back, HDMI, Ethernet, micro USB. This is a USB-C connection for wireless screen sharing. Ironically, it doesn't use USB-C for power at the back, which is kind of strange, but oh well, whatever. So I'm not sure what this honking thing is, but let's take a look. Okay, so getting it out of there. Oh, it looks to me like some sort of canister storage unit. So I guess you would store both those wireless screen things in here. I guess it would just fit kind of like that. Well, in reverse, I mean, but yeah, I guess it could kind of fit in there. Interesting. But it's nice that they included that. Maybe the other extra slots are for markers or something. I would assume that's what it's for. So here's the power adapter brick. So it looks like those other slots have nothing, but I always like to double check just in case. But this looks like where majority of the other accessories are included. So let's see what we get out of here. Okay, so there's the two antenna that I was kind of guessed that were underneath. And this looks to be an HDMI cord. Yeah, it's HDMI. And then this is regular USB to micro USB. So this is what's going to be providing power to the hub. So that's the power cord essentially. And an adhesive sticker. So it looks like if you want to like kind of maybe wall mount it, I assume. The hub at least, so that's what it's for. I'm not sure what this is for. Strap, maybe another additional mounting solution. Just simple Velcro. And this looks to be some sort of base, and it looks like it has some holes for screws. So again, I think this is all basically mounting solutions, and there's some screws. So yeah, it looks like they give you a lot of options to mount it out of the box, which is great of BenQ, especially considering that different people have different types of setup, and they want to maybe conceal the hub behind a TV or mount it next to a projector or something. So this is the quick start guide. So what we have here. So here's all the options. Yep. As well as mounting options, and you can kind of that Velcro strap is actually used to mount it against a pole if needed. So yeah, it looks pretty straightforward because BenQ does claim it's plug and play and that's it. And of course, here's regulatory information as well as safety guidelines and all that other stuff. If you know, in case anyone ever reads this stuff, which I really doubt. So that's pretty much it. If you guys want to see a review of it, you can find a link in the video description. Check out my social links in the video description as well. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button, it does help. And thanks for watching.